Hello guys, Truck Tech here. Thank you for tuning in. Well guys, it's a hot day here in the state of Alabama, and also it's been over 2 months since I last posted a video, so I am a little bit out of shape, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you the best shots that I can. Anyways, putting that on the side. Well guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of this amazing slingshot. And it actually was a surprise for me because I had no clue that this slingshot was coming. Last night I received it in the mail, and I didn't know exactly what it was until I actually looked at it, and I was completely blown away. I was speechless. I was very excited. I was happy. I was just completely overwhelmed. And today we're gonna do an unboxing of that amazing slingshot. And some of you guys already seen this gentleman advertise the slingshot and do some amazing shots that are extremely difficult to replicate. And yes, guys, I am talking about the SSS Turan from Slingshot Sniper. So stay tuned and let's do a review. All right, guys, here it is. I am very excited to do the unboxing of this amazing slingshot. Like I said, I received this last night and I had no clue that this slingshot was coming, so it caught me by surprise. I was speechless, very humbled to get to open this one. This is the very first slingshot out there. And so without any further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. And like I said, I was completely blown away because I had no clue. I didn't even know exactly what it was when it came in the mail, and I mean, to be, to have the very first SSS Turan, to me, that's just an honor. So let's open it up and see what we got. And I haven't taken any shots in over 2 months, so I don't know if I'll be able to make the shots, but I'm gonna give it my best. Oh wow, look at this. I like the bag. It's really nice. Let's open this. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's take a look at this first. Okay. So these are the ones that I guess you get to put in the little slot. It comes with an extra band. And wow. Wow. I am completely blown away. Amazing. Amazing. Now, he did mention that this slingshot, it's set up more for like for 45-degree angle shot. So we're gonna put that to the test. I have never ever shot a slingshot like this. It's always been flat. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make the shots, because this is something totally different than what I'm used to. But we're gonna give it a try, and we'll see. Wow, but the detail on this thing is just amazing. Look at that beauty. Wow. All right, let's bend it up with the bends that I prefer, and let's take some shots and see what we can do with this amazing and beautiful slingshot, the Turan. Wow, beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and wrap it up and make some shots, and let's put it to the test. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, here it is. Look at this beauty. Let's take the first shot. Let's see if we can hit the edges. And I haven't shot in over 2 months, so let's see if we can make it happen. And I'm not used to shooting this type right here. I'm always used to the flat ones. So let's see what kind of aiming. I know this one's more set up for 45-degree angle. So let's see if I can hit it at a 45-degree. I have only tried 45-degree angle a few times. So let's see if I can hit it. All right, guys, here we go. Very close. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Not bad. I have not shot in 2 months, and this, oh my God, this slingshot is amazing. You guys should give it a try. The SSS Turan from Slingshot Sniper, guys. Can't go wrong. So I highly recommend it. Let's do some more shots, all right? All right, guys, so let's see if I can hit the edge of this card or split it. This slingshot is amazing, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. Fits great in the hand. It's a different way of aiming for me, but I mean, it's just, I can't be restricted in just one type of slingshot. So this really has given me the options to learn a different way of shooting, a different way of aiming. I mean, because it's just challenging for me. So I use a lot of instinct shooting, kind of. So let's see if I can hit the edge of it. All right, guys, that was a pretty good hit. I shot this at 180 degrees. And here's the other piece. So usually the slingshots I'm used to, I shoot like this, right? This one I had to compensate because of the aiming. I had to shoot it like this. So 90 degrees, 180. So I'm gonna try to do 45-degree angle shot and see if I can do it for you guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, here's something I haven't tried. I'm gonna try to move the cards without actually hitting it. So grazing the card and making it fly without actually destroying the card, without actually hitting it. So I'm gonna move it without hitting it. So let's see if I can do it. Let's go for the closest one. 45 degree. That's one. Let's go for the one back there. Yes. Let's see. Hopefully I grazed it without hitting it. All right, guys, here you have it. Not one single damage. Well, actually, I'll take it back. I did graze this one, and I'm gonna show you. Oh man, can you guys see? It's right over here. I grazed it right there. Right there. You guys see that? And this one, no damage. All right. I think you went right between them. Nice shot. Let's see what else we can shoot. All right, guys. So what can I say about the SSS Turan from Slingshot Sniper? First of all, I had a lot of fun shooting this slingshot. Second of all, it was a surprise for me. I had no idea that this slingshot was coming. So I am very thankful for my wife and Safar that they worked this out for me to have it and do a review for you guys. So I'm very honored to do that. Also, I am not very used to shooting round like this. I always used to shooting the flat forks. However, shooting like this, I absolutely love it. I had no problem hitting the target. And in fact, for some of y'all might find it to be a lot easier shooting with the round tips rather than the flat ones. Either or, it's your preference. But for me, I found it to be very, very easy. I can shoot 90 degrees and put the target wherever I need to, or 180, or you can even do 45 degree, put the target wherever you need to. So you can always move the target around wherever you desire. So guys, I had a lot of fun shooting this slingshot. It is amazing. It feels great in the hand. The color is just absolutely beautiful, and the material is just top notch. So guys, I can't say enough about the slingshot. Had a lot of fun. Guys, thank you for watching. And remember, until next time, safety is number one. All right, guys, take care.